Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Looking to elevate your outdoor living space? Discover a variety of home backyard layout ideas that can turn your ordinary backyard into a stunning oasis. Whether you have a small or large backyard, these ideas will inspire you to create a space that is both functional and beautiful. The first step in creating a perfect backyard layout is zoning. Consider dividing your backyard into different areas, such as a dining space, a relaxation zone, and a garden. Use hedges, fences, or even planters to create a natural boundaries between these zones. Zoning helps in maximizing the use of space and ensures that every corner of your backyard serves as a purpose. Create an outdoor living room to enjoy cozy evenings or entertain guests. Invest comfortable outdoor furniture such as sofas, chairs, and coffee table. Add a fire pit or an outdoor heater to make the space usable even in cooler weather. Don't forget to include lighting. String lights or lanterns can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Incorporating greenery is essential for any backyard layout. Depending on your space, you can plant a vegetable garden, flower beds, or even a vertical garden. Raised garden beds are a great option for small backyards as they save space and are easier to maintain. Don't have a green thumb? Consider low maintenance plants like succulents or ornamental grasses. Transform your backyard into a space that reflects your lifestyle and meets your needs with these layouts ideas. Whether you are starting from scratch or looking to refresh your current space, these tips will help you create a backyard of your dreams. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe this channel